YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. I've been considering cameras and what's been available cheaply on the market, but I wanted to get a camera as a reversing camera to go on the back of my camper van motorhome. But at the NEC and things like that, they wanted about £160 for a wireless kit without the monitor, which seemed an awful lot of money. So what I've been considering, and it does work, is you can purchase these little HD Wi-Fi cameras from anything from £12 to £25. You know, they're okay, and I use these for doing the majority of my videos, and they come with waterproof kit, different sorts of mounts and things like that. But the Wi-Fi function is really good. So as a reversing camera you can use them, and it's very simple to do. What I do is I've used one of the brackets. I've got a mini tripod from Poundland. I put the camera on top of this Poundland tripod, and I stand it in the back window of my van. There we go, that's better. Okay, it's not very straight, but what I could also do is use a suction pad, things like that. Now I'm going to show you the Wi-Fi function. Basically, you switch the camera on at the front, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you hold the top button for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and it says waiting for Wi-Fi connection. So that camera is now ready, and that can be put in the back window of your van, and it will run for an hour and a half. This little camera screen will go off. Now what you need to do is get your phone or tablet and download an app called iSmart DV, and this is the icon for it. It's like a camera, and it actually says underneath iSmart DV. Now what you need to do, once you install that, you need to go into your Wi-Fi settings, select connections, and then the action camera, called an action camera W9 in my case, appears in the list. Click on it to connect to it. You're connected to the camera. Simple as that. Let's get rid of that. You then open up the app, iSmart DV, connect to the camera, and there you have, this is what the camera's seeing. Okay, turn the phone around. Right, is that coming out on screen? So that is that. Now if I hold this, I can walk into another room with the camera. It's facing me at the moment. It'll work up to about 30 feet, this one will, on Wi-Fi. So all you need to do is put it in your back window of your van. This is looking out the back in the garden, and this is your reversing camera, and you can have it behind your rear window. You could make a bracket and put it on the roof. The only disadvantage with using this is you've got to switch it on, remember, and things like that. And the other thing is you've got to use a phone or laptop or tablet that's got Wi-Fi. But it's not a big issue, because most people have upgraded the phone. They may have kept their old phone and took the SIM card out, but it works perfectly okay on Wi-Fi. And right, and that's the image. Okay, I'll just turn it around the room. It's sort of almost looking at me now. And you can take, from your phone you can take a video and record it. You can take photographs. You can do all sorts of things. So a very, very low cost way of making a wireless reversing camera. Very, very simple. And I've not tried, I'll actually do it to see if you plug it into a charger, will it still work on Wi-Fi? There we go. I just swing the camera around. I've now plugged it in on charge and it's still sending Wi-Fi. So once it's switched on, it will run longer than 1.5 hours. But on batteries it's 1.5 hours. But if you can run a lead to charge it. I don't know what else I can say. Have a go yourself. Get yourself one of these cheap cameras. And happy caravan camping and motorhoming. Comments welcome. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.